Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn something super important in math, order of operations. This is like a secret rulebook that tells us which part of a math problem we should solve first. If we follow the right steps, we always get the correct answer. Let's get started. Imagine you and your friends want to build a sandwich. First, you put the bread, then the peanut butter, then the jelly, and finally, the top bread. Yum! But what if you put the peanut butter on top of the bread instead of spreading it first? That would be messy, right? The steps must be in the right order. Math works the same way. If we don't follow the right steps, we'll get the wrong answer. That's why we use a special rule called PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an easy way to remember the order of operations. Each letter tells us what to do first. Let's break it down. P stands for parentheses. Solve the numbers inside parentheses first. E stands for exponents. You won't see these much in grade 3, so don't worry. MD stands for multiplication and division. Solve from left to right. AS stands for addition and subtraction. Solve from left to right. Let's say this together. PEMDAS. Example 1. Simple problem without parentheses. Let's solve. For plus 2 by 3. If we go from left to right, we might think. For plus 2 is equal to 6, then 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Oops. That's wrong because we must follow PEMDAS. We multiply first. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then add 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10. Example 2. Using parentheses. Now, let's try. For plus 2 times 3. Since we always do parentheses first, we solve. For plus 2 equals 6. Now we multiply. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. This time, the answer is 18. See how parentheses change the answer? That's why following the order is super important. Example 3. A fun challenge. Let's try. 8 minus 2 plus 3 times 2. Following PEMDAS, we multiply first. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now, we solve from left to right. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So the final answer is 12. Great job, everyone! You've just learned how to follow the order of operations using PEMDAS. Always remember. Parentheses first. Multiply and divide before adding and subtracting. Always go left to right when solving. Now, try some problems on your own and see if you can follow the right steps. See you in the next math lesson.